You don't want to be embarrassed?
No, I don't want to be embarrassed. We're not one of these people that have to document every little thing we do.
Oh, this is a one-time in a lifetime experience. This is May 24th, 2014. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary here at Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. But on our way over here, I saw this cool truck.
Fuzzy Vodka.
Fuzzy Vodka. And it's a good advertisement, but check it out. I believe that's like an international one. So I really want to videotape it because you really don't see a lot of these, and then my club's going to take the camera and videotape, take me by it. Come on, Mama.
I'm gonna stay here.
Does she look beautiful? Like a rock star. Is this not bad or what? This is a monster size. Okay. Now I want to record you over by it. Come on. Be like one of those vodka models.
I'm fuzzy.
You're what?
I'm fuzzy. I drank too much.
Yeah.